how come I cannot resize text? And she showed a screenshot of her layers palette and also asked why some layers had a T and some layers had a T with a little square. And actually, initially, it stumped me because I thought, I've never seen that icon either. So I had to dig a lot. And then it just hit me that if you have some text, after I found out, I kind of hit my forehead. Oh, duh. Okay, so if you have some text, and I accept my text, you'll see here the familiar T icon that says it's text. However, if you have a selection and you put your text inside the selection, it will fit the area and will wrap. Okay. And if you look at the icon here, you have that T with a little square. It means that it's text inside a selection. Now, if I deselect, remove that selection, this will stay as a text inside a selection. And that is why you cannot resize it as much, because that selection is kind of kept in memory. That's exactly the same thing as when you are trying to resize your project and the wrapped text does not resize. It's because it's kind of stuck in that selection, and the selection itself will not resize. So if I will just undo the selection. Where is it? Okay. Let's put that text back inside the selection. I'll accept. So you can see the selection is still there, but let's say that I want to resize to 1800 instead of 3600. I'll go to Image, Resize, 1800. You see how this text was resized. The selection, strangely, is resized, but it's actually not it shouldn't be. But that text here was kind of stuck in the kind of memory. So that explains why that text that is inside a selection, so that's wrapped text, will not resize. It will always stay where it was supposed to be. And even if you were to move it, you can move it. I'll just delete that, remove that selection. If you decide to edit that text, you see it goes back to where it was. So it's very simple, and it's like, duh, that's why there is that square around the text. It's because there's a selection around the text. Or it could be with a vector too, because you can wrap text inside a vector. But that is the explanation why you have the different icon and why you cannot resize it. Hey there. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!